Expression. Numbers, variables, and operators like x squared plus x plus 1. If we simply have 2x, this is an expression. The opposite of an expression is an equation. An equation is two things placed equal to each other. Technically, 2 equals 2 is an equation because of the equal sign. But 2 equals 2 is not very interesting. It is more interesting to say that 2x equals 6, or what number, when multiplied by 2, is 6? 3, of course. And what about 2x plus 4 equals 6? What value does x have to be to make this statement true? At the most basic level, an equation has an equal sign. An equation has two sides, parentheses, a left and a right, end parentheses, and an equal sign, and must remain balanced. An equation is, quote, solved, end quote, and an expression is, quote, evaluated, end quote. The expression, parentheses, 2x, for example, end parentheses, lets us experiment. What if x is 10? Then the expression yields 20. What if x is negative 5? Then the expression yields negative 10. More practically speaking, say we have a 250-unit apartment building, and rents can be raised $10 per month. That is 250x per month, or 250 times 10, which is 2,500, times 12 months in a year, is $30,000 more in revenue per year. The expression allows us to experiment with various situations and scenarios. What about a raise in rent of $20 per tenant per month? That would be $60,000 more of revenue per year. The expression might be more valuable than the equation, especially when paired with a spreadsheet like a Google Sheets or the older Excel Spreadsheets, which are calculation programs or apps. With a spreadsheet program, we can set up any number of complicated expressions which depend on one another, and then proceed to alter each to see what the outcome may be. An expression does not have an equal sign, and is a collection of numbers, variables, and operators like 3x plus 5. Antonyms, equation. Related words, solve, evaluate, spreadsheet, numerical model.